a fine art photography print depicting a Taiko Odori fan dance on stage, where a performer in a luminous kimono raises bold red and gold folding fans against a radiant magenta background. This image highlights the artistry of traditional Japanese performance, balancing symmetry, flowing fabric, and the striking glow of theatrical light. The composition makes it an ideal cultural decor piece, blending tradition with vivid modern presentation. When I photographed this Taiko Odori performance, I was struck by how the stage lights transformed the fabric into shimmering layers of texture and movement. I waited until the dancer extended her fans fully, concealing her face in graceful mystery while framing her form with arcs of color. The vibrant lighting and reflective kimono allowed me to capture not only the dancer's elegance but also the rhythm and energy that filled the stage in that moment. Displayed in a home, gallery, or office, this print offers both inspiration and cultural connection. It carries more than visual beauty, conveys the harmony of tradition and performance, bringing energy, grace, and conversation into any space. The vivid colors and flowing forms make it a centerpiece that resonates long after the performance has ended.